WBM Anti-Aging Skincare. This is going to be starting off with, of course, our beautiful dual foundation antioxidant essence, and this is going to be a beautiful cream that leaves a really nice glow on your skin. It has kind of like a tinted moisturizer effect to it, which creates this really pretty sheen on your skin. If you guys can see that, just like this, really nice. And I really like the fact that it leaves this glow. So even if you wanted to wear it underneath your makeup, you could. It's very lightweight. This has hyaluronic acid in it. It has rose in it as well, candelilla in it. So many wonderful ingredients that are great for your skin. Really wonderful for plumping fine lines and wrinkles with hyaluronic acid, and helping, of course, with really severely dry skin. Something I also really like is the fact that it also does have rose, which rose is really wonderful for flexibility of your skin. Really nice for uneven texture as well. It's also, of course, going to be having antioxidants, which will help protect your skin, but also antioxidants are wonderful at helping to repair pre-existing damage from UV rays, or also from free radicals as well. And the smell is so beautiful. It's so fresh and it's so light, and I just love how it creates that really pretty sheen to your skin. Do you see how it creates this sort of nice golden shimmer to my skin where I put it? Really beautiful. That is the antioxidant dual foundation cream. If you guys see that beautiful golden sheen it creates on your skin, like a nice glow for your skin. Really nice on its own if you like to go without makeup, but also really nice under makeup as well to give you a really nice glowy effect to your skin. I love this one. I like to use it at nighttime too, but just a little bit underneath your makeup really creates a really nice glow.